You've been lied to by traditional indicators. That RSI you've been using, it's outdated, noisy, and misses the real moves. But what if I showed you a version of RSI so precise, you'll trust its signals more than your gut? A refined tool designed to confirm real market reversals, not just bounce around like a random oscillator. This indicator is called Machine Learning RSI by Bull Vision. Unlike the standard RSI, which simply reacts to price hitting overbought or oversold zones, this version adds a midline confirmation system that helps you avoid false breakouts and catch actual shifts in momentum. And instead of relying on the old 30/70 levels, you'll get far better results by adjusting the levels to 40 and 60. Let's see how to use this indicator in real time. For buy entry, first watch for the RSI to touch or come close to 40, as this usually signals a controlled pullback in an uptrend. Now don't jump in yet. Wait for RSI to close above the midline, as this confirms that buyers are regaining control. And once the trade is active, a smart exit zone is when RSI reaches 60, which often marks short-term exhaustion or resistance. Now let's reverse that logic for a sell setup. When RSI reaches 60, indicating momentum may be topping out. Wait for RSI to close below the midline. This confirms the shift toward bearish momentum. A reasonable exit is when RSI approaches 40, or you can manage the trade using market structure. This method reduces noise and helps you stay objective, especially when markets look uncertain. And if you really want to sharpen your edge, you can also combine this RSI method with smart money concepts like order blocks or fair value gaps. If this gave you a fresh way to look at RSI, be sure to like the video and subscribe TradeXA.